Hi, welcome to Lee Smith's workshop. This is a very quick video just going over how to assemble the case for the Ngo. So this is my Ngo and it's a ZX Next clone. I have modelled in the option for the Pi Zero. This is what you will get in the kit. So you will have a case, you'll have the front blanking plates, plastic washers, screws to hold the board in place, screws to hold the case in place. The first couple of cases that went out only had 4 screws, and I later changed it to add a 5th one just to hold the middle part together a bit better. So you have a top, you can see in the top it has some grooves cut out, and that's where these go in, and then also at the back just a bit of a spacer for the cables for the Zero. Inside are the mounts for the screws, and we have the switch. I don't know if the older TBblue boards have the switch, but the Ngo certainly does. This is the same if the joysticks are on the left or the right. The one I've got, the joysticks are on the left. Anyway, so we're going to put this blanking plate onto the board. I have to do that because otherwise you wouldn't be able to get it in. And then we want to slide the circuit board underneath the power switch, and then it's just a matter of getting these blanking plates down into the right spot. So obviously you want to put the back down first, and then the blanking plates will just fit into the recesses in the plastic. We put the power switch lead on. On the first couple I didn't think about this, but I put a little recessed bit in the top because the power switch sticks up a little bit, but you can just bend it over a fraction. So once the board's in place, we put a plastic washer on a screw, on the short screw, and screw the board down. And anything that's 3D printed, don't over tighten it. I have tried to make these so that they're the perfect size for these screws. But if you go cranking it down, you're just going to rip the plastic out. Okay, so that's the board in and everything in place. Then it's just a matter of getting the top on so that the blanking things go into the recesses on the top. So now that they're in, we can put the screws in. And again, don't go cranking down on the screws. And there should be a screw for that one as well. This particular case I got the size wrong, so I won't put that in. So then it's just a matter of just hand tightening them. Until the top of the case doesn't move around. So I don't know if you can see, there's without that screw, some of the cases have a bit of a gap at the front. I have any that were slightly warped without those 2 screws in. I've twisted them so that they don't have the gap. That's why I added the 5th screw, just to clamp that top down. So that's it. It's in the case. Side panels covering the board up. We have access to all of our ports on the back, and you have your power switch. So thank you for buying these cases for the Ngo. It is like a console style. You put the keyboard on top, or you can move it back and have the keyboard in front of you. There may well be one coming up soon where the keyboard is integrated into the top, but I thought this would just be something different. And you can see I've got like nice logo design by Gas Marshall, and then the color stripes on the side similar to what the Next has. So anyway, again, thank you for watching my videos. I'll put a link where you can buy this case in the video description, and thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon.